Mastering above. Essential IELTS vocabulary lesson. Imagine you are standing at the bottom of a tall building looking up. Everything you see is above you. Today, we are going to learn about the word above and how to use it correctly in your IELTS exam. Word type. Above can function as both a preposition and an adverb in English. Meaning, when used as a preposition, above means at a higher level or position than something else. As an adverb, it means in or to a higher place. Word history. The word above comes from Old English abufan, which combines the elements a, meaning on, and bufan, meaning over. Antonyms. The main antonyms for above are below and beneath. Synonyms. Some synonyms for above include over, higher than, and atop. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use above in sentences. The airplane flew high above the clouds. In the library, the history books are on the shelf above the science books. The temperature today is above 20 degrees Celsius. As mentioned above, we need to practice using this word correctly. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing above with over. While they can sometimes be used interchangeably, over often implies covering or movement across, while above simply indicates a higher position. For example, we say the picture hangs above the sofa and not over the sofa unless the picture is extremely large and covers the entire sofa. Another error is using above with numbers in formal writing. In academic or formal contexts, it is better to use more than instead of above when referring to quantities. For instance, say more than 50 people attended the event, rather than above 50 people attended the event. To improve your IELTS score, practice using above in your speaking and writing tasks. Remember its function as both a preposition and an adverb, and pay attention to the context in which you use it. With regular practice, you will become more confident in using above correctly, helping you to express yourself more clearly and accurately in English.